Hello everybody, welcome back to this another review. Today we're going to review the ThorFire PF04 Flashlight. It's a little flashlight that can deliver a very powerful beam of light. It's, the website is the ThorFireDirect.com. Check it in the description for the link. It's very small, portable. This is compared with a regular pen. It uses two AAA batteries that you just insert here. Also here you can see a O-ring. It will make this flashlight permeable and waterproof up to 2 meters. So let's start it up. If you press one time, it gives you a low beam. If you press again, give you a super high beam of 210 lumens. It's very strong, don't look the light directly. Instruction manual, there is not much to say about, but you can see it's 210 lumens, the mid is 50 and low is 1. It's possibly have 1, mid and high. Let me try again. So 1, probably this is the medium. Super power. This is very hard to see, but there is a little 1 lumen. I don't know what this used for, but I like the super power. Yeah. Okay, also in the box you have 2 O-rings that you can switch out if they wear out too much. Okay, let's do one test. I'm going to show you how powerful the light is. Let's turn off the light. You can see the rain on my hand. Okay, that's all for this review. See you next time for another great review. See you later, bye!